The Designs by JuJu Embroidery Blessings group is a Facebook group as opposed to a page. We started the group in February of 2018, so it has been just over 5 years now, and we have grown to a community of over 72,000 members. When groups became popular on Facebook, everybody and their mother was creating a Facebook group and was saying, oh, you need to create a Facebook group. And I said, well, no, I don't. I don't want to create a Facebook group unless I have a purpose for it or a reason or it has some structure. So it was one day at the 99 restaurant. My husband and I went out to lunch and we got talking and we got the whole idea and said, I'd love to create kind of like a pay it forward group and create this community where we will provide a free design or two, sometimes it's 3 every month, and we don't ask for anything in return. It's for members of the group. You can download the design for free, and all we ask is that you use that design to make something, to give away, to make somebody smile, to donate, to make something for yourself, just to put a smile on your face. And it is a very active, very engaged group. We have thousands and thousands and thousands of customer photos. We've asked people over the years, a lot of people sew for Project Linus and hospitals and nursing homes and show the projects that they made, or for their church bazaars or Christmas gifts. So many people will say, I'm posting this here. Shh, I made it for a shower gift and I can't show it on my regular page. And it has become a really close-knit, special part of the Designs by JuJu team and business. It is extremely near and dear to my heart. I would say in Designs by JuJu, with such a big team that we have now, it's probably where I personally engage the most. And I love to sit down at night after my dinner and go on the group and I'm browsing and I'm like, oh my gosh, I never would have thought to do that with my design, or I can't believe this person, what they did, or look at this quilt this person made, or it's just become, it really, really fills up my soul to go onto this group and see all of the beautiful projects everybody made, people helping each other out. I need to mention Jenny Gallagher, who's our main moderator for this group, who does a phenomenal job. This is an extremely well-moderated, happy community. It's a safe community. You won't see any of the junk you see anyplace else on social media. It is a place where people go to share their love of embroidery.